Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Did you guys watch Fashola's interview with Shehu? Unbelievable. It's just something else, honestly. I watched that interview. I don't even know what to. I just watched a part of it, really. You know, it's just so unbelievable how you see people all of a sudden. Fashola almost cannot speak again, stammering. He's as if this is his first time of being in front of the camera. You know, this thing I always talk about, the inside and the outside matching. When it doesn't match, it doesn't flow. You can't defend this. What cannot be defended? How? It's just so unbelievable this season. Just seeing people that no, I don't even know what to say. But anyway, let's listen to this part. There's a particular clip, especially when they were talking about that dual citizenship and everything. So I just sort of like, God, let's listen to them and just hear them one after the other. Let's listen to this one first.
Why is the man you were his chief of staff? I mean, he has so much of controversy around him, and I'm hoping that you might be able to clear the air. There are controversies about his age, his true age, controversies about his true educational status, controversy about his name. In fact, there are controversies about whether or not he has dual citizenship, controversies about his past life in the United States. Can you clear the air about this man?
I think that makes it the more interesting, and I think those issues have been ventilated sufficiently. You know what the Nigerian people have decided? Those issues don't matter. That's what they have said by this vote. And in making that choice, the only thing I can say to you is that every time it got more difficult, I used to tell people this was his path to success. There was no easy way. There's no easy day for him. The more difficult it gets, then you can be sure it's Sèŕìøůš. And I think that for somebody who has faced all of these obstacles, I keep referring to when he was. I remember when he wanted to be governor. You may or may not recall. For 3 days after the primaries, we couldn't find the state party chairman, the returning officer for the election, and Lagos was in suspense for 3 days until they found the returning officer. And that.
Okay, now the returning officer was captured. Is what is. You could see. He was so nervous. He was talking, or he wanted to just deflect from the main issue, not talking the main issue. So all of these controversies, the person's name is not known, this is not known. So it makes him more interesting. It makes him more volatile. It makes him more what, how. And then he's deflecting here, he's deflecting there, bringing things that are not really. Who is talking about what happened in 1999? So there was so the collation. What did you call it? Is it what officer disappeared? They didn't see him. Are they the ones that made him to disappear? They forced him to declare this thing. I mean, it's so crazy. I'm just listening to Fashola. I'm like, is this Fashola? Babajide Fashola, the then Lagos State governor that was, you know, hey. This is unbelievable. One of the lessons I'm just taking out of all the things happening in Nigeria is just to say to myself, Aisha, one has to be very careful, and you should double your carefulness of checking yourself constantly and holding yourself accountable and holding yourself to high standard and calling yourself out whenever you begin to derail in any way whatsoever, because it's just so unbelievable how you just see different people just going off this. So he's telling us now that Nigerians have shown that all those things don't matter. Even if they've been off for a long time, people have not. People are focused on it now. It doesn't make it okay. People have had to talk. Yes, when he was governor of Lagos State at that time, 1999, many people didn't even bother about the democracy, because many people thought military were not really going. But now that he wants, people are bothered, people are talking, and the people didn't vote for him. A lot of the way they captured someone then that disappeared, collation officer or whatever, that's more or less the basic thing that's been going on here. Results have been stolen, results have been changed, and all of that. But anyway, there is more. Let me go back so that we will see the more. There's another one here. Listen.
That's the Ashoaju story.
But does he really have a dual citizenship?
Does he have dual
Ashoaju story
citizenship?
now, and
no, he can't talk anymore.
So
he's not answering the question.
Gets, the more it brings out the best in him. And for me, I think that now that all of these hurdles have been surmounted,
they always bring religion.
Maybe perhaps, just perhaps, this is where Nigeria begins to turn in the most positive way forever. Because sometimes this is just what it is. Because governance is not about sainthood. It is about efficiency. It is about performance. It is about delivery.
So Bola Tinubu is not a saint?
I am not. I doubt that you are.
No, I am not a saint. I mean, so, if you're a saint, you should be never by now.
At the end of the day, at the end of the day,
Mr. Fashola doesn't want to answer the question. He's doing everything to dodge that question. And guess what? They bring what they usually bring, the mumu boti religion, trying to tell us that, oh, all of this is happening. Maybe there's something divine. There's nothing divine. There's only something criminal about it. There's nothing like divinity or anything. It's just criminality. That's what it is. Nothing more, nothing else. Don't bring any kind of this thing. And you could see literally trying to evade the question, not answer that question of dual citizenship and all of that. You know, when all this controversy of dual citizenship started, what's that now? What kind of this? Honestly, I didn't even, until now, like, I thought that thing was fake news and all of that. Like, why would it be? Especially when I saw 2015 as not 2015, you were still collecting passport, not even, let's say, if it was 1980 something that I saw, that I readily believed it. But you see the way he's evading, he's doing everything possible not to answer, and they're talking about, sainthood and whatever. And you know, the lawyer in him is really coming, and he doesn't want to make statements that, you know, he'll be here, people will say something or the other. But anyway, let me go to, let's listen to another one again.
Anybody that will be Nigeria's president, issues of character, issue of consistency in the person's life. Why does he have so much controversy? And the third time I'm asking, does he have a dual citizenship?
Character is important. Character is relevant. You know, I tell people, when you read the story.
What is bringing Abraham Lincoln here? Hey!
And how he got the...
Hey, what is bringing Abraham Lincoln? Does he have dual citizenship or not? Oga, yes, he has. No, he doesn't have. Or I don't know. Which one is this, that? Oh, those Abraham Lincoln. If you heard the story, you will not want to hide. I don't want to concern my life. Is that what we are talking about now? Abraham Lincoln. Is that what we are talking about? We are talking about our lives now. You are telling us about Abraham Lincoln. Are you okay? Are you for real? Hey. Man, not be smart. Anyway, they know the kind of stations that they go to where they will not be great. Anyway, there's still another one. Let's listen to this one now.
The bill that ended slavery passed. If you read the process, you will not take the result. Go and read it. So, but it was about doing a good thing at the time, and I'm not saying anything, so nobody should read innuendos to what I'm saying.
The lawyer in him.
Governance is about getting the results. The process is important. The process can be important. Let me put it that way. But sometimes the people you impact, and there is a level of integrity beyond which you should never compromise anyone. So those are issues that are settled because they are value issues. Societies are built on them. So I should not be misunderstood. But again, you must understand that
he knows what he's saying. They're trying
all of the
to.
accusations that have been leveled against him have been either unproven or there was no evidence offered.
All the allegations against him has either been unproven or there is no no be small thing. So it's what is achieved, the purpose that is achieved, the result, not the process really, because so that's how you guys got all of this process where you stole election, you know, rigged the election, changed results anyhow, and just got yourself declared, and that's it. The result, the process doesn't matter because you now have this. It's unbelievable. If years ago somebody had told me that Babajide Fashola would be like this, would do an interview like this, well, I would have said no. I would have said no way. But right now, it's unbelievable the things that we say. And you could see literally trying to dodge that particular question on the issue of citizenship. Anyway, let's continue to listen.
It's offered in support of them. But they have run along for a while. I know one of them.
Which is?
So they said that he owned the Oriental Hotel.
Does he?
He doesn't. You know, when that story broke, Dele Alake, his
commissioner,
image maker then, went to him and said, look, boss, this story is making the rounds. I should go and deny it. He said, no, they're wishing me well. Don't deny it. I was there. And the story has gained a life.
Does he have a stake?
Deflection.
The place was a swamp. The owners of Oriental Hotel, according to the story, were the people who used to own, I think, Golden Crown on Ikorodu Road, and they wanted to relocate. The whole of that Uzumbamba was a refuse dump, including the place where Jim Movia built Civic Center. I was in government when they gave it to him. We used to recover dead bodies there. So it was like, build something there so that we can protect it, and that was how they came along.
So what?
Oh my goodness. This is something else. So what about that final question? What about, oh my goodness. Let me go and look for that part, because there's that part where he actually now really answered the question. Towards the end, it's just, no. I'm just trying to, this is so something else. Towards the end, he did now answer the question, and he was trying to get that. Let me just get that a bit. I'm just trying to get that particular part where he did answer the question and the things that he was saying. Is just so. This is really so sad in a way. I tell you that it's absolutely. I just can't believe that, you know, someone like Babajide Fashola can just get himself into this kind of thing. I'm like, anybody wears, hey, that's one thing I can never do. That's why I say to people, this thing they call parties, I should be in a party. Nah, it's not me. You see, we'll be seeing nonsense and defending it. How? Hey. So listen.
So what about the issue of dual citizenship? This is the fourth time I am asking.
Just listen.
I know he carries a Nigerian passport. I don't know about dual citizenship. I know he resided abroad when he went on exile. I don't know if they gave him
the president. He's
American
silent.
citizen there. What does
He
that
can't.
mean?
A whole stand.
And wait a minute.
Because my time.
Whilst we are going there, the last time I checked, I think that Nigeria's constitution.
I know that. A whole
As a
stand.
president, you need to recheck the constitution
No,
in respect of being a president.
No, it's place of birth. It's place of birth. If you were born to Nigerian
Which time?
parents,
How can you be running out of time at this time?
I will check that, but I doubt that the Nigerian
Now
constitution
this is the main
makes it
cocoa of the story where you go sit down and talk. How are you running out of this? Now he has finally agreed to show you forehand to that one. Since now he has finally agreed to address you, press him on it. You could literally see that he was grappling. Whether the question took him by surprise, he didn't know this, he didn't know the answer. I thought simply like that thing. Honestly, I just thought that thing was just a big, what kind of dual citizenship? How? Where? When? For him to be grappling, he was confused. He didn't know how to answer. He kept dodging the question. Sèŕìøůš kept persisting on the question, and then finally he comes to that. Oh, and the thing is that when he actually answered it, I think Sèŕìøůš was already on his way, and until he comes to say, oh, but that doesn't stop you from the law allows dual citizenship. It doesn't stop you. Until now, Sèŕìøůš now said to him as president, and I think he realized, oh my goodness, okay, no. This is what happens when you try to defend nonsense. Hey, how can I be? I want to be around. Hey, anybody who goes to that say more? What? Nah, I would rather not. That's what me. Hey, one thing I will say to people: as I get here like this way, I love my freedom more than anything more than anything. I can't joke with it. That freedom of my mouth. This is my big mouth. I have a big mouth. Literally, metaphorically, whatever, physically, whatever, I got to be using it. Such a shame. Babajide Fashola. Kai, we've had so many people who have fallen. That's why when I see people who are insulting people or saying to say, oh, people are, I don't even feel anything, because you've seen how many of those people that you thought were great Nigerians who keep falling by the wayside. It's just, it's painful and it's hurtful. That's not the way it's supposed to be. Kai! The thing will pay me for this whole thing this year. So this thing is true. How come this story it didn't break before that 21 days?
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.